whoever is watching this video. My name is Allie. Thanks for coming to my channel. I know it has been a long time since I've made a video, but I was just like so discouraged because my camera didn't do autofocus. I didn't have a ring light. Well, I have a ring light now, but I didn't have like all those fancy lights, all the makeup that everybody else had. And then I just had to sit back and realize, like, okay, you're not like everybody else. You're not gonna have what everybody else have, and you just have to realize that and let your creative juices flow and do what you do best. So yeah, I'm just going to do like a chit chat, get ready with me type thing. I never do talk through video. If I keep looking at my monitor is over there, so I never do talk through videos because I'm usually in the front room of my house. But now I changed everything to be in my room, so I know this is a different setting. But yeah, so I'm just gonna try and be more consistent because I'm more comfortable doing it in my room, so maybe that'll help with me being more consistent. So I'm just going to change from this to this. Alright. To start with brows, so I'm gonna start with the NYX Microbrow pencil, and I use the color Expresso. I don't really like this color because it's very warm tone, but it's the second darkest shade, so it goes Expresso and then it's black, I think. I'm not sure, I think. But I would like more of a cool tone brow, like the Anastasia dip brow pomade, but I ran out of it and I'm not finna spend all that money again, so this $10 pencil is gonna cut it. Okay, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer in the color Medium Tawny, and I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 brush to carve out my brows. Since this is supposed to be a chit chat video. So okay, I be having to concentrate when I do my eyebrows, but like I was saying earlier, how I had to stop comparing myself to other people to get things done. Like, it's a serious issue. People really do stop doing what they want to do because of what other people have or what other people are doing. And I always see this post that said, what if Rihanna never started Fenty Beauty just because everybody had a makeup line? Like, it's just like saying, oh, I don't want to do my YouTube or start my business because everybody has YouTube, everybody has the business. Like, you have to make yourself stand out from everybody else. And I got this little sponge from Walgreens. I get most of my stuff from Walgreens, by the way. I'm gonna use the Magic by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Nana right here. I'm gonna put that in, and I don't set my concealer because it gives your shadows more pigment. I learned this technique from P. Louise Academy. You place the color in your crease. It's called the dump and something technique. They place the color in the crease, dump it in the crease, and then blend outward. And that helps put your shadow exactly where you want it to be. Exactly where it needs to be. So now that the transition shade is done, actually going to just place it where I want it on both eyes and then go back and blend it out. And use circular motions to blend out. Just really gonna take it right out there. Really want to take your time blending. Just want to make sure everything is as symmetrical as possible. It looks about the same to me. Take that same Wet n Wild concealer and I'm going to place it on my lids. Then look up so that I can get my perfect crease. I'm just gonna add a little concealer on the back of my hand. Dab into while I cut my crease. I'm trying to go fast because my camera's about to die. So hopefully I can at least get this part. And Oh Sun, I'm gonna use Zuba like in the middle and then Oh Sun towards the inner corner. But first, before I do that, I'm going to go back in with that blue shade and blend out where the concealer meets it on the outside. I'm trying to hurry up because my camera's about to die. Foundations. I have the color 17 and 14. So I'm going to put the 14 towards the center of my face. So my camera died, but I just blended out the concealer, baked, and put on some eyelashes. I'll link everything in the description box. So yeah, I'm about to go take this off because it is now, it's 1:24 in the morning. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm trying to talk low because people are sleeping in this house. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked this. It was supposed to be a chit chat get ready with me, but I cannot talk while I'm doing my makeup, so It's just this little look that I put together. Please don't mind my edges. I need my hair done ASAP. But thanks for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.